Hi guys! So it's time to do my favorite thing, cooking. Not really, but we're still going to do a cooking class, a Tibetan cooking class, which sounds like it's going to be fun. I don't know how good I'd be at it, but let's go see. Hi. Hi, I'm Sherry.
Hi.
Hi. So what are we going to make today?
Today we are going to make a Tibetan noodle called tentuk.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I've had tentuk actually. Yeah, I've never made it, but I've had it.
okay. So today you will learn how to make a vegetable tentuk.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. So for making the Tibetan tentuk, first we have to make the dough first.
Okay.
So you want to make the dough or I should make?
I think you should make it.
Okay. First we will make a dough.
Because if I make it, we'll be here till tomorrow.
So for making a noodle, first we have to make the dough, then keep it for few minutes.
Okay.
So,
So we just let it sit.
Yeah. First we have to cut this.
The cabbage? Okay. So is there any method to this
So
or do I
you
just...
cut like this way.
I think you're doing really well.
I will do this, you will do this. Okay?
Yeah.
You do this.
Grating?
Yeah,
I'm good at
grating
grating. Okay.
here. Inside this you grate here.
Okay. So what all vegetables are we putting in this? We've got cabbage, we've got radish.
Carrot. Okay, you cut the carrot.
So in like circles or
Yeah, you
Yeah?
can cut it slightly.
like this?
Slightly. No slightly. Cut from middle.
Okay.
Now little.
Oh,
slight
okay.
cut.
Okay. I mean, I'm rather slow, but I think I'm doing a decent job.
It's okay. Do more.
So how would you cut this part?
Like this way.
Oh my god.
Be careful with your.
Just as I try to like, this is not quite working like he was chopping.
Okay.
There's no pressure.
Now we will put inside this. We'll put some pepper here. Mix it.
So we have like a paste.
Yes. Now we should put it inside this. Now we have to make the soup.
So lots of water.
We need more water there in this.
Okay.
Here, this is the radish. Yeah.
And then put the carrots.
Yeah. Now keep it for a few minutes. Drop need 15 minutes to
Okay.
become ready.
So how do we know if it's ready?
Because if it is ready, then it will become so soft.
Right.
Now make it
Just
like
roll?
this. Yeah, make it like tube. Little bit. Yeah.
It's the same size, it just won't grow. Looks like an earthworm that ate a lot.
Then we have to make it like this. Flatten it.
Okay. Oh, I broke
Yeah,
it.
it's okay. Straight.
And it's still on the flattening stage.
Try to pull little. Yes. Yeah, it's becoming longer. Yeah.
Oh, it's
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
okay.
Keep like this. No, hold like this. here,
Okay.
Hold
Like this is my pet
Hold like
snake.
this. Now we have to pull it here.
Okay. Oh, you just break it and throw it in. Oh. I'm just going to be faster than you for once.
Yeah, you.
Now, how long does this have to cook for?
10 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
Yes. You open this?
Okay. It's cooked. Oh.
Yeah. Now you can put.
Should I serve some?
Yeah. You can serve.
Wow, that smells good. There you go. Should we taste?
Yeah, you can see here.
Please try some. How is it?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it the best tentuk you've ever had?
Yeah.
So if you had to rate this on a 10, this would be an 11, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
thank
This
you.
was really, really easy to make, and I think finally it's actually something I can make. Thank you. And I mean, you should be thanking me for giving you the best tentuk you've ever had, but I'm gonna still say thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
If you guys want to learn how to make some Tibetan food when you're here, make sure you look him up and come here because he's a great teacher. If I can make tentuk, anybody can make tentuk. See you guys.
Okay.
Bye. See you. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.